Hey everybody, how's it going? I got my new coffee maker thingy here. This is Keurig's hot commercial series K155, and my wife and I needed something a little more quicker when we wanted to take our coffee on the go, or if we just wanted one cup instead of having to make a whole carafe full of coffee. And this is their commercial series. I guess you could use it in a small business or your home. This can also be directly plumbed into your water system. Like, let's say you could tap in off the back of the line that's going into your ice maker on your refrigerator, or if you have a reverse osmosis thing on your sink and this was located near that or something, yeah, that way you don't have to keep filling the reservoir. Where it's going to go in my house, it'll be filled up on the reservoir. So anyways, we're gonna unbox this, get into it, and I'll show you what it looks like and we'll make a cup of coffee. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, guys. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and open this up now. This says this can be used for food service environments, medium to large offices, up to 30 people, I guess, of constant brewing. Now, this reservoir here holds up to 90 ounces. That's a lot. You could select sizes 4, 6, and 8. Looks like they give you a little bit of a variety pack just to start you off. Not too bad. Can brew up to 48 cups per hour. That's a lot. All right, let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Ooh, yeah, nothing. All right, here you have your K-Cup instruction manual guide. Looks like your variety pack. Let's see what flavors you get. Green Mountain Coffee, 8 o'clock. All right, Cafe Escape, Starbucks, Donut Shop, yada, 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 yada. Okay, let's put that there. All right, excuse me, guys. Boom. Not too bad. Now, I'll be honest, just the way it looks, I love it. It's more aesthetically pleasing than some Keurig coffee machines I've seen. Yeah, so it looks like here is the reservoir where you go ahead and add your water right on top here. Ooh, this tray looks like it comes out, slides in and out, chrome in case it drips in there. Then you can go ahead and take this off and empty that. And I'm guessing if you remove this, that'll also give you more room to sit your larger coffee mugs, travel mugs, whatever. Okay, so here we go. So to take this off, I think you just lift and out. And here is your reservoir where you go ahead and add your water. Boom. All right, not too bad. And here is the rest of the machine. I love the chrome here. Open that up for your K-Cups, and it looks like you could take this out and add one of your personal ones in here. The refillable ones, like if you want to add your own coffee grounds, or you can use that for just your K-Cups. Okay, brew button. There's your screen. Let's turn it around. Get you a nice back shot. The filter will mount on the back here, then go ahead and plug in your hot and your cold lines, you know, if you want to there. And that way you don't have to keep filling the reservoir. But this is a pretty big reservoir for me and my wife. I think we'll be okay with this. And the top of that just goes right there. All right, so I'm gonna go downstairs, take this all downstairs, plug it in, and let's make a cup of coffee. I wonder how long it takes for it to heat up, to get hot. Yeah, let's check it out. By the way, here is a side view. This way. Looks like I have a nice little K there. Okay, and this is a thick cord. I can tell you that. Maybe this is how they get down with their commercial series. I don't know. I like the way it looks. That's why I got it. I'm not a fan of the way the other ones look. I just really like the way this one looks. And my wife and I were avid coffee drinkers, so I wanted to get one that was a little more durable. So since it said it could be used commercially, that sounds like you could make a lot of K-cups. So yeah, let's go downstairs and check it on out. All right, let's go ahead and put some water in here. I have a reverse osmosis little faucet here. So add some water in here. All right, I'm gonna fill it up to the max fill line. I love having a reverse osmosis thing here. I don't have to worry about charcoal filters, this and that, none of that stuff. It's all good. All right, let's go ahead and connect this back to the K machine, big K dog. All right, and just goes on like this, pops in, down, and you're good to go. All right, let's get some better light over here. Alexa, turn on under cabinet lights.
Okay.
All right, now that that's there, put this back on top. And we're rocking and rolling. Now, the power button, it's right behind here. It's like a little rocker switch. You hit it, and it starts to come on. Okay, let's zoom in. It's heating. Please wait. And for my Spanish-speaking homies out there on the left, you can hit Espanol. And to my people that speak French, you hit that one right there. So right now, it's preheating the water. That's what time it is. And yeah. I'll time, let's see how long this takes before it's ready. Now you guys hear that noise in the background? That is the machine heating the water. We have another coffee maker, just a standard, 12 cup carafe, and it also has a hot water dispenser on it. And let me tell you, that thing sounded like a bulldozer when it was heating up the hot water side for tea or something. This is a lot quieter, trust me. It's not loud at all, but we'll see how long this takes. So far it's been about 2 minutes. Okay, so it takes about 2 minutes total. Nope, there it just changed to 14, so probably about 3 minutes. You can see this. So you'd go ahead and put in your K-cup right here. Boom. Pop that in, shut it, then there it's going to ask you want 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 6 ounces, 10 ounces, ounces. So let's say I just pick 4, hit brew, then a cool little animation is going to start. And you're ready to go. Keurig brewed, enjoy. Not too bad. So now it's heating, the water, so you'll be all ready to go. And looks like it is ready. That didn't take long. Okay, and then also, if you have a travel mug or a bigger coffee mug that won't fit, you just go ahead and remove that part. Sit that there, and you're ready to go. Now also there is a hidden menu. The machine has to be off. Turn it off in the back. Hold your finger here, keep holding it, and cut it on. Keep holding your finger there. And now it brings up the secret sauce menu. It's just your settings there. Home, clock, brew temperature, brew sizes, auto off, auto on time, language, contact. So yeah, not back home. That'll take you back home. All right, so if you want to set the clock, your brew temperature, I leave it on 193. Brew sizes. Okay, if you only want one kind or only want 2, you can get rid of the 4 ounce, you can get rid of the 8, 6, 7. 8, 6, or 10. And auto off time, auto on time, language, and contact information. That's just like Keurig's whatever. Okay, so that is it. That is Keurig's K155 brewer here. Commercial series. I guess you could use this in a small business, like I said. Maybe you own an auto mechanic store, or small business, maybe there's 10 people in there. You can go ahead and use this. Or if you like the way this looks, or this seems like something you'd have in your home, like myself, then there you go, you're all good. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked the video, and yeah, go get one. Laters. Also, before I forget, you have the normal K-cups here, but they also have this one if you want to use your own coffee from home, like my wife and I do enjoy. It's this right here, and it has a little filter in there, and then you put your coffee grounds in there, put the top back on, put it back in here, and you're good to go. And then inside here, you take out this piece, like I was referring to earlier. Take out that, put in this, and now you're rocking and rolling. And I'll leave a link in the description so you know which thing to buy here to put inside there. So anyways, that's it. All right. So yeah, just wanted to show you that real quick. All right, guys.